Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm up on our roof of our barn, and this is soon to be a guest house. So we're gonna get started now by actually continue on the other side, which we didn't get to rip yesterday. As you can see, it's a bit cloudy, but doesn't look like it's gonna rain, and hopefully it will not. So let's get the other side off and then get it to this state so it's actually ready for the new roof to go on. Well, new old roof. So let's get started. So as you can see, the roof is not on, but we have prepared it. Today's day is over, and that's how far we have gotten. We have gotten all the wood secure. We have pretty much screwed all of them up as well. They are nailed, but we're adding another screw next to pretty much all of them. And we replaced a lot of them as well. We redid the top. So I feel like it's a lot better, and it looks really nice and straight. Like, it's circle wood, right? But it's pretty good, and they kind of did match them, at least the sizes, and all of them go in the same direction, so at least it's getting from bigger to smaller. So in that sense they did it a good job, so it kind of, the roof is level. And this very end, the very bad one, most of it we're going to rip it off. It doesn't bother now because it's not attached to the roof at all. So we're going to use the beam that is actually sitting on top of the wall, and that one is kind of like an extension, and we're going to completely remove that. We'll see if we rebuild it or if we just leave that last beam as our wall, and we're going to put a framing underneath it anyway, so it's going to secure the roof up there as well. But the extension is attached to it, so we can't actually do much there now. So we're going to wait until we build a proper barn where we can store all these things, wood and also machinery. So we're going to remove this extension, and probably also this extension will be all temporarily. So it's kind of going quite a big project, this one, and it's turning out pretty good. Let us know what you think in the comments down below about this, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't. And we're gonna have this done probably tomorrow, because Thursday it says rain, tomorrow's Wednesday, so pretty much 3 days and the roof is off, secured and back on. So hopefully that's gonna last another 30 years maybe, this roof, or maybe in a few years we're just gonna change it all for a brand new roof. We'll see how the money does. So hope you enjoy. See you next time. Bye bye.